Changing your profile picture on ESPN Plus is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your profile image easily. Step 1. Log into your ESPN Plus account. Open the ESPN Plus app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or name, usually found in the top right corner. Click on it to open a drop-down menu and select Account Settings. Step 3. Access profile information. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Profile or Profile Information. Click on this option to view your current profile details. Step 4. Upload a new profile picture. Find a section for your profile picture. There should be an option to change picture or upload photo. Click on this and select a new image from your device. Step 5. Save changes. After uploading your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to finalize your new profile picture. Now your profile picture on ESPN Plus is updated. Enjoy your streaming experience with your new look.